Hello, my fashion lovers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we'll be making this stylish ruffle sleeve. For the dress, if you want to learn how to make the dress, I will leave the link in the description box so that you can click on it and watch the full video on how to make the dress. Let's go straight to the tutorial. For the sleeve, you're going to get your basic sleeve. This is my basic sleeve. And what I have here is 12 inches for the basic sleeve. And for the ruffles we are going to pleat, I have a long fabric. I went ahead to fold the two edges, and the length of the fabric is 31 inches, depending on how full you want it to be. And the width is 7 inches. And I'll go ahead and start marking out where I'm going to pleat. I'll go ahead and start taking 1 inch. I first of all marked out 2 inches. From there I started taking out for the sewing allowance. That's why I marked 2 inches. Then I'll go ahead and mark 1 inch till I get to the end of the fabric. I'll continue marking 1 inch. As you can see so. I'll continue marking until I get to the end of the fabric. Make sure you fold the two edges before you pleat. And where I'm going to stitch it on the sleeve, I'll mark 2 inches from the starting point. To 2 inches. That is where I'm going to stitch it to the main sleeve. And the fabric I'm using for this is scuba, so that it will stand very well. The sleeve will stand very well. And after marking the 2 inches, I'll go ahead and take the second pleat, second line, and place it on the first marking. Take the second marking and place it on the first marking and pin it down. And I'll go ahead and do the rest like so. You can see what I'm doing. As I'm doing it, I'll be pinning it down so that it will stay in one place. Take one, push it to the other part. And whatever I do on this sleeve, that is what I will do on the second sleeve. At this point, if you're still watching, please click on the like button, comment, share my video, and subscribe. The simplest ruffle sleeve you can make. Continue like so. Fold pleats, pin down, fold pleats, pin down. And as I'm pinning, I have to make sure that it's going to fit into my sleeve. It's going to be the same length with my sleeve. With my basic sleeve, I have to place it, leaving 1 inch at the bottom of the basic sleeve. As I'm pleating, I have to make sure that it will align with the basic sleeve. I'll place it on the main fabric, leaving 1 inch where I will sew it down on the main basic sleeve. Placing it right side facing right side. The right side is facing the right side of the basic sleeve. And I will go ahead and stitch it down. As I'm stitching, I have to make sure that I'm stitching on the 1/2 inch. Subscribe, like, and drop your comments. For my returning subscribers, thank you very much for supporting my channel. Thank you for always watching my video. I love you all. And after stitching, this is what you have. And then you go ahead and stitch it down. I'll go ahead, I'll make sure that the ruffles are up. Then I'll go ahead and stitch it down using the sewing allowance, 1/2 inch sewing allowance, sew it. And after sewing, this is what I have. For this scuba is a lighter scuba, but you have, if you are working with a strong scuba, the sleeve will stand, ruffles will stand. And this is the sleeve.